Hello everyone. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how we can download different datasets from USGS website USGS Earth Explorer. For this we will first log into this USGS website and then we will download different dataset. First of all, let me search USGS Earth Explorer. USGS Earth Explorer. Open the first USGS earthexplorer.usgs.gov. This is the interface of USGS Earth Explorer website. First of all, we will log in and will create an account in USGS Earth Explorer site. You can see on the right corner of this interface the login will appear here. So click on the login. Here you can also put the username and password if you have already created an account. If you don't have, and then sign in. If you don't have any account and for the first time you're accessing this site, then you must have to create a new account to download any dataset from the USGS website. I will click on the create new account. So here you can see some of the requirements that are used for the username. You must be between 4 and 30 characters, may contain alphabetic and numeric characters, may only contain the following special characters. You can use the period, at, underscore and dashes within the username. And for the password, the password must be between 12 and 24 characters, and you cannot repeat the same character more than 3 times. Okay, now let me use this account, GeoSoft underscore pro 2025. This will be my username. And now let me write down a password here. All right, so this means the password match the text sign mean. Recapture, and now click on continue. You can also select here in what sector do you work. You can select your sector. So I will select academia and institution, and you can select as per your sector that you are working in. These are not hard and fast rules. These are actually will be accounted within the survey of the USGS. Which of the following characterize you as a user of remote sense data from USGS? I'll apply the end user, and you can also check all the other, and you can select. If there is any other reason that you are using this remote sense data from the USGS, you can specify it here as well. Does your work use remotely sensed data from the USGS? Yes. And it's up to, I will mark it to the 70%. And you can also select the primary usage. I will select my major, geology. Okay, you can also select here from here the other um, applications that you want to use for example, hazards. Okay, now over the next year, how much of the remote distance data you acquired from USGS will you distribute to the other to use as opposed to using it yourself? Some of the data And over the next year, how important will free and open access to remote center will be used to conducting your work? Somewhat important for me now. I will continue to contact informations. In the contact information, for example, I want to create it for the GeoSoft. So GeoSoft, this will be my first name, GeoSoft, and Pro here. YouTube channel. You can select student, as well as if you work in the industry, you can justify the company organization as well, or academia. For the Let me use, I will select the country Pakistan and city Islamabad. This is the state or province. Province will be the Punjab, and the zip and postal code. You can also write down email here. Save contact information. Wait a bit for it. Okay, so your information, these are your information, GeoSoft Pro underscore Pro 2025. These are the contact information and demographic information. And now you can also edit, and once again you can edit it from here and then submit these information. They submit registration. Now I will submit the registration. So what it says, check your email for confirmation message. Click the link in the email to activate the account and complete the registration process. If you do not receive an email, please check your spam folder. The confirmation link may expire. The link is valid for 5 days after creation of new account. So you must have to activate your account within 5 days. Okay, after 5 days it will not be activated, the link will not work. Okay, now we will check the email. So here you can see the USGS registration confirmation. I will open this, and you can see here, to complete the registration process you must click the link below to confirm activate your account. So I will activate the account, enter username. So this was my username. I will submit it, and here you can um, write your username here, and put password here. And now click sign in. You can also save these information here. Now you have successfully signed in with the GeoSoft Pro account. Now, to locate your area, for example, I will download digital elevation model for Pakistan. This is actually Pakistan. You can also um, put uh, KMZ or shapefile here. Like how you can search it, this is actually the geocoder. On the geocoder you can select points like this and specify your area like this while staying on the geocoder. If you have the KML or shapefile, you can select it and you can upload here, and you can also check it from here, shapefile, and select that file like this. But one thing which is very important, that the shapefile, only the shapefile will not be uploaded here. You have to, the shapefile have 7 files in support, 7 files in the support of shapefile, like PRJ, like the attribute, the SHX, like these files are within with the shapefile. You have to uh, uh, put that in a folder and zip that folder and upload that folder here, the zip folder, so it will work then. Okay, otherwise only the shapefile will not work. Okay, and also you can select KML or KMZ and you can uh, upload it here. For now I will select on the geocoder. I will select the geocoder. Now if you want to delete all these points, you can come here and click on the cross, so you can delete all these points. Okay, you can also put the coordinates here as well. Define area, circle. You can click, you can add the coordinates here as well. If you do have any coordinates, select one by one. Okay, now for, for example, I will download a digital elevation model for this area. So let me select it. Okay, so it's actually saying there is circle. I will again come to the polygon and will specify my area of interest. Okay, actually this is, for example, my area of interest. Now cloud cover, so I will make it 0 for now, or 1% cloud cover. And now go to the data set. Within the data set you have a lot of data available here. USGS aerial imageries, these are aerial imageries. AVHRR data, classified data. You can explore these data by yourself. Digital elevation model, this is the land cover data. Landsat data, Landsat satellite level 1, level 2. We will also download this data set, but for now we will download the digital elevation model. So for the digital elevation model I will select SRTM, and you can also uh, select the arc second global 30-meter resolution, wide field, non-wide field. We will also I've also uploaded video on digital elevation model, that how we can fill the white spaces if that is within the digital elevation model. But for here you can also select the non-wide filled or wide filled digital elevation model. These voids will be filled by the USGS. Okay, so for now I will select this one and click on the results. So you have two tiles for your area of interest. I will select this footprint. So it will show you how your area will be covered by this tile. Okay, and also I will select this one, so I can download these two digital elevation model tiles. And you can also see the coordinates. Okay, the resolution, 1 arc second is actually 30-meter resolution, and also the date, the published date of this digital elevation model. And also you can also the browse overlay. You can check the browse overlay like this. Digital elevation model will look like this. Okay, like this. All right, now click on this download button, download options, and select the GeoTIFF 1 arc second 24.76 MIB. Now I will download it. So my download will be start. Okay. Now also download this one. Sorry, I'm going to download it again. So I will download this one. Okay. This is how you can download digital elevation model and other dataset from the USGS website.